Hello folks, we're going to play what's in the bag. So I was going to do it in the last video, but you know what, I'm doing this video. What's in the bag? Got a bag of goodies here. Let me downturn the camera. I'll make one big long video. So here, let's put the camera down this way. Let's put the wire's not in the way. Alright, this is the bag. This is the bench. What I forgot to do last time was do a review on this. These I found at Runnings. I bought the extra clips for my tools here and forgot to put on there. So they were DeWalt belt clip thingies. I bought two of them because apparently two of my tools don't come with belt clips, which is stupid. It's like they sell you to, like, what, they're too cheap to put a, what, 50-cent little piece of metal on it. So I bought two of them. That's one thing. I did pick up a brand new Craftsman. What do I got a spot here? Oh, it's the camera. It's just, how's the lighting, folks? I picked up a Craftsman. What do you call it? Metric. What do you call it? Socket set. And if you wait here, hold on a second. I will. What do you call it? Hold on. Let me do this with style. Hold on. Okay, folks. I bought a 11-piece metric thing because I was fed up trying to find ratchets for my bike. So in truly awesome internet fashion, I will cut this open. See? There we go. See? Done, 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 done. Oh, look at that. Does pretty cool, huh? Watch this. So, without further ado, I've got me a set of ratchets. They feel like ratchets. Came with a, what, let's see, the infamous missing 10mm socket. Believe it or not, I lost my 10mm socket. Came with a, what else, 11, a 12, a 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pieces. I bought it at Lowe's. Lifetime warranty, and they're made in Taiwan. So if no made in USA, probably full lifetime warranty. We build pride. Okay, so you know what that means? Good luck with that. Anyway, got that. Take this out of the way. I also got a pair of headphones. Not headphones. Hearing protection, because I bought one of these because sometimes they fall to your ears. You just want to pull them there. So that's one thing everybody needs. This has been sitting in my car for months, so I took that back to the garage here. I also found this in my car, mini vice grips. My son was playing with it. I left this in my pocket, the wrench for the DeWalt drill, the little wrench to tighten up the stuff. That was in my pocket. I'm getting to the good part. I picked up some more PPE, hearing protection, because you know you really want to worry about that. I leave all kinds of stuff everywhere. I have an Allen wrench. I also have a screwdriver. A leftover piece of plumbing. I did order these on eBay, which it's missing a little bracket. Basically, these are the taillight brackets to a Honda Big Red. The two of mine are pretty scrappy, so to get one that's in decent shape, the little corners are messed up. They need the little spot weld. This one's pretty rough. The little hole down here is kind of wrecked. I'll probably just grind it all down, sand it, give it a little tack weld there, grind it off, tack weld it. It's probably going to break right off. Or I'll just weld a new piece on. How these things get... Yeah, this one's in nice shape. I think I paid like 20 bucks. I seen two people bidding on these. Two different auctions. These are the taillight bracket. I think they kind of go on the bike like kind of like this, and it holds, I don't know, the light. Because anyway, you get the idea. They were there was two auctions for these. These were like 30 bucks for two of them, And then there was one, just one, in worse shape than this for 70 bucks. These things are not cheap. So I'm going to get the sandblaster going. Sandblast these, give them a good spray over, and ta-da! The good part is if I can make a new little bracket here, I have a spot welder. I can snap it in there real good. So how the hell do you make those? Actually, it doesn't look too complicated. It's just tiny. It might be complicated. But so got that. I also picked up another ratchet. This one is a 120 tooth ratchet. Why did I pick it up? Because who doesn't want a ratchet? If I can get it out of here, let's see if I can get this out of here now. There we go. Picked up this Craftsman part number 82-001-6 GM3, I don't know, 3B. Tiny little ratchet. It is a 120 tooth. But how do you know? If it's 120 tooth, how do I know it's 120 tooth versus different one? Don't know. Okay, so anyway, I was at Lowe's, and this walked into my hands, and I bought this one too. This is 180 tooth. So, but how do you see? Part number 820. This is 82011, and this is 821111. And it says 4B, that's 3B. So this one says it's 180 tooth. So I guess you're supposed to just guess, right? So anyway, I bought them gunmetal. Oh, this one says 180 tooth. They also had one that was 72 teeth. So the designs are a little bit different. I don't know if you can see that. They're a little bit different. I like the gunmetal look. It's I don't know why I bought gunmetal, but you know what? Maybe I'll just start buying some ratchets. They got a nice, both same size, roughly the same length. This one's 180 teeth, is 120, and I think the other ones are 70 teeth. So yeah. Basically, if I take one of these, yeah, there we go. And this one, Sophie, come on, get off there, you. Ugh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's a little pop thing. I didn't know that. I don't use ratchets very often. How do I know this crap? That on there. So this is like 180 teeth. So anyway, that's my crazy expense thing I bought. I know it's have these fancy little plastic suckers, which I'm sure, and I wonder if these are the same little inserts in here. Let's check. Let's see if the 180 tooth one is the same as the. Did they make different amount of teeth on here? Oh no, they did the same little plastic. Like, what's the point of having a display if you're not going to put different amount of teeth on it? Huh? What's wrong with that? Anyway, what I'll do is I was going to make a video taking them apart. Show you the insides. But, I don't know. My older ratchets don't have the locking thing in here. My older Craftsman from the 90s. I don't have the super old ones. Maybe I'll have to swipe one off of ePay. Definitely... the back sides on here, I don't know if you can see that. The back sides, the 180 tooth has a nice rounder button. This one has a flat one. This one has screws on this side, and the actual switch is a little different. So this one you could take apart, and this one it doesn't look like you can. Looks like it's a pressed fit, I guess. Maybe I should buy one and just take it apart to see. I'm sure this right here pops out. It's got two screws and thing pops out. This must be a, what do you call it? A mystery machine. It just breaks and throw it away. Oh no, wait, it's got a lifetime warranty. So when they go out of business next, he'll never see the warranty. But so anyway, 2 Craftsman toys. So I get them right here. 2, let's see, mine. Nice gunmetal. You know, if you're just starting out, I think they were like $30 each. This one was around the same. The one I bought, the 182th at Lowe's, was virtually the same price as the one I bought at. I think this was Ace Hardware. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this short little video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like the channel. Toodles. Thanks for watching.